They were raised by their biological parents, the Malhotras, and he was adopted by the Malhotras. But the fact that the kid they didn't even raise turned out to be their ideal son is insane, said a Reddit user. Well, we need to talk about Bhagwan. This film became the voice of parents' emotions and showcased their pain and gained the status of a cult classic. But social media users say it's not all that. First up, let me remind you what Bhagwan is all about. It's a movie about a couple, Raj and Pooja Malhotra, which struggles to find belonging after the husband retires. Raj is a banker and Pooja is a housewife who waits on him and keeps tea ready even before he can ring the bell. They're very much in love and are happy in their own little bubble of romance. But then Raj retires. Mr. Malhotra jumps into retirement with zero savings, presuming that his sons will be the return on his investment in their education, etc. Basically, he thinks they'll support him and his wife without any hesitation. But a rude shock awaits Raj and Pooja, who find out that none of their sons is willing to host the couple together. They just want to spend time with the kids, which is why they leave their humble mansion. The kids split the couple up. The mom lives with one son while the father with the other. Oh, and what you should also know is that Raj and Pooja sponsor an orphan who is now a young man and lives abroad. His name is Alok. Alok has never lived with them but has been able to get a good education and a good lifestyle because of them. He worships them. Literally. Anyway, over the course of the 3-hour film, Alok proves to be the favorite child of the Malhotras by welcoming them with open arms. Bhagwan was a huge hit, but according to the discussions about it on social media, it might not have been layered enough or aged well. It's one-sided, exaggerated vilification of one group versus exaggerated eulogism of another group, said a Reddit user. Also, in a time when memes have become kind of a way of communication, the movie became a treasure trove for youngsters. An anonymous social media user said, I remember my dadi crying watching that movie because her kids hate her, while simultaneously my mother was oil massaging her hair and my father was making her chai. Like, I can't make this up, the delusion. Another wrote that since these parents did so much for the children could have been kinder to them in return. One argued it's a movie that satisfies egos of those parents who want their kids to stay their slaves because parents gave birth to them and expect that kids must kill any personal desires, ambitions, and dedicate their lives to parents. Like one of my aunts who always puts up WhatsApp statuses of how it's the daughter-in-law's job to serve in-law parents all their lives. Some even joked that the only child that the Malhotras didn't raise was actually the one with the most moral values, which reflected poorly on their upbringing. Overall, Bhagwan was a hotly debated film. It was the brainchild of B.R. Chopra, who was inspired by a real couple story. He wanted to cast Dilip Kumar as Raj Malhotra, but the film couldn't be made for different reasons. And then B.R. Chopra's son Ravi took on the task and made the film. It was made on a budget of 10 crore rupees and earned approximately 41 crore rupees on its release. Many social media users agreed that the film could have dealt with the parent-child topic more sensitively. That the parents were parenting the sons who had their own little families a little too much and victimizing themselves, and that the children were being a bit too ungenerous towards their parents. What do you think of it?